Hello and welcome to this edition of my Live Good video. So today I called another 6 people. I also followed up with other people that I had spoke to previously. So I contacted 6 new contacts and also followed up with previous contacts, spoke with several people. And just for the topic of this particular video is going to be about how people hate to be sold, but they love to shop. They love to buy. So people hate being sold, but they love to buy. They love to shop. So, when I'm calling these people, I have to know, like my sponsor told me that, told us all through his YouTube channel that he was a person who suffers from social anxiety, as do I. Contacting people and asking them to take a look at a business opportunity can be intimidating, because we don't want to pester somebody. We don't want people to, we don't want to interrupt people what they're doing. We don't want to be impolite. We don't want to, cause anybody any angst, because we've all been in that situation where we've been on the other end of the phone and there's somebody trying to sell us something that we don't want to buy, and it's very uncomfortable. We don't know what to do, because we've always been told to have good manners, but then when the situations present itself, a lot of times it forces us to make these irrational outbursts. And I'm not interested, take me off your list or something like that. Or dealing somebody at the door. Like, there's a lot of people who come by and they try to sell things door to door in my neighborhood, and the homeowners association tries to chase them off, but I also say, hey, the business of commerce depends on people who are willing to put ideas and thoughts out there. People are interested. People are looking for opportunities. They are looking to better their health. There's millions and millions and millions and millions of people who need Live Good products. People are getting older. The population is getting older. The health is getting really, people need to be healthy. It's not a good thing to be sick in this day and age. It's not like before when I was a kid growing up. You get to see a family doctor and they were happy to see you. It's not like that. Healthcare is getting more and more spread thin, with more and more people, getting access to healthcare, and Medicare and Medicaid, and the Affordable Care Act, and these health insurance. Health insurance is it's just different. You're seeing a lot of things that are going on, like you have the urgent care and the minute clinics and stuff. All that didn't exist. But it has to. It actually has to exist now to be able to take on all of this populace that's here. And, it's just another thing. So it's like people have to safeguard their health, right? Because, otherwise it could be catastrophe, for someone. So, the people that I'm talking to have asked to be contacted. I don't put the hard sell on anybody. I say, hey, are you interested? I'm really just, I look at it like this. I'm collecting a decision, and I'm just presenting this. I'm like, hey, look, here's the link. If this is something that you're interested in, great. Go through, pre-enroll for free, put your name and email address in, and, check it out. There's all these tools are for free. I almost want to push it, though. I do want to push it because I know I personally have, squandered thousands and thousands of dollars on worthless business opportunities. And just buying into those business opportunities is just the very beginning. Then you have to buy the tools. You got to buy the websites, the domain names, and the autoresponders, and the lead lists, and all that other stuff. Right? You don't have to do any of that with Livegood. It's really like it's all in, right? They give you the website. They give you the autoresponder. They give you the funnel. They give you the training. They give you all the things that you need. All you need to do is just say, hey, be a tour guide and share your website link, right? It's just that simple. And if you do it often enough, people will take notice of it, right? And as you become successful, and as this becomes a solution, and it's going to attract more. You're going to do better. I really believe this. It's just like the YouTube channel. In the beginning, nobody's watching, but you keep putting content out there. You keep putting yourself out there, and people will trickle in. And then as you start making some money with this, right? When you start being successful with it, you're not going to have anybody having any problems with you contacting them. They're going to want to know. They're going to come to you and they're going to say, "What are you doing? Because whatever you're doing, I want in on it because I need it. I have to have some extra money. I have to have good health. I have to be able to pay some bills off. I have to be able to go and take my family on vacation. Pay for kids' clothing and activities for school and things like that. It's not free, so we've got to have something. And then inflation is eating away. People are seeing even though they might be, wages aren't really increasing. We're all taking a pay cut with every year with this inflation, and it's like, oh, I have less money I'm getting paid the same, but I have less money this year than I had last year. And it's no, you're not going crazy. It's true. Inflation is a killer, and the cost of everything is going up. And you've got to be able to like find ways to save money and make money, right? And you don't want to spend money on healthcare if you can help it, on deductibles and copays and time away from work. If you can avoid those things, and better yet, if you can develop a secondary income stream, it's going to help you out a lot. So I hope you take this to heart. If you haven't already, go to my website, jefforlando.com, and pre-enroll for the free tour of Livegood. And, look at the power line, see where you would be, and, lock in your position before Thursday. Because Thursday, the whole system resets itself. And then, it's never too late. The best day to join Livegood was yesterday, but it's never too late. Join now, and tell others before they are telling you. So if you have any questions, like, comment, subscribe. I will talk to you